You can expect a lot from the 2014 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-kilometer mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.